And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is Wednesday, December 14th, 2022. It's exactly 11 p.m. Just turned to 11 p.m. And we're here at the Frontenac Metro Station on the Green Line of the Montreal Metro system. And I just wanted to do a little video going into the station, going down to the platform level, because I've been hearing a lot from fellow transit fans and people in general saying that Frontenac is one of the worst stations in terms of being a dirty station and a troublesome station. So just to give you a bit of background, we will go inside and check it out to see what it's like. I just want to give you a bit of background. So we are in the Hochelaga de Maisonneuve neighborhood here in Montreal, also known as the East End. And traditionally speaking, this part of Montreal does have a reputation for crime and whatnot, especially in the 90s and whatnot. Now it's somewhat cleaned up, but there is still pockets of crime. And specifically this metro station here, I guess it's a gathering point for, people that, maybe looking for trouble or whatnot. I'll show you, first of all, they are doing some construction here outside of the station. And we'll be going inside in a moment here. I'll just show you around. This street, by the way, is Ontario Street. This one right here, which I'm facing towards the west. And this here is Frontenac. This is facing north. So we're going to be going into the station now. And we'll see what it looks like inside. And see if we can see any examples of what makes this station so bad. Now, one of the things that was pointed out is there's dirty water here. So as soon as you get inside, you can see you got some dirt here and grime. The floor is quite dirty. Now we'll make our way past the turnstiles. You can see the traditional metro station does have dirt on the floor and whatnot. But I guess it's when we get to the platform you'll see where the problems are. There's also, of course, a lot of the walls here are peeling on the sides. Look at how dirty the speaker is right here. Don't know if it's functioning still even anymore. So we're going down to the platform level. And it's on the platform level, I think, like I said, where most of the issues are and the problems. So here, they got some benches. Interesting place for benches. Usually these are on the actual platforms. But here we are. Let's take a look at Frontenac, where the problems are. So here we are. We got some dirty water here, which does happen at other metro stations, by the way. But now we're going to start seeing more issues. Look at this black dirt coming off here. This dirty residue. Look at the track. Look how dirty the track is here in this section. Oh, this is rare. This is one of the old analog clocks. This is the frame of it. We'll go down to the platform and see what we can see. By the way, this is the water filtration system. Basically, the water runs down into here, and then goes down to the sewer system through the wall. You can see these pipes, and then down into the sewers. Set 34. Is there set 34? I'll get a video of it departing, and we'll do a walk around the platform and check it out. See what we can see. Yeah, so there you can see, look how dirty that track is right there. A lot of that's from, of course, the water system up here, the water drainage system dripping down on the tracks. What else do we got down here? I'm trying to find where that dirty water was that a fellow YouTuber filmed. They must have fixed it. I thought it was around here. But anyway, this is Frontenac Metro Station. You can see, you know, it does sort of have issues like any other metro station. If we go down here, show you something else. Look down there, that hole in the wall, that empty space. Yeah, so Frontenac, actually I think that's where a fellow YouTuber was filming some dirty water the other day. But anyways, there you have it. That's Frontenac. I mean, judge for yourself. Some days, some nights are better than others. I guess sometimes you get people here that are troublemakers more than other nights. But yeah, anyways, have a good night, everybody, and more videos to come.